Yo, what is going on, boys? Another day of winning trades. Took two trades this evening, both wins, and not my usual model either. So, bias was that fucking obvious. And, if we just have an overall outlook on market, all we've done is just keep getting bought up, no pullback, no significant pullback. This is the deepest we've seen. And now we're ripping up again. So all I did was I was tempted to right, let me actually, you know what? Let's go over what I was thinking at the time. So coming into 2 p.m., we had an SMT at these highs, and we were within this 15-minute gap after we displaced to the downside. So obviously we retraced just into this hourly gap, but I said, okay, we could retrace finally for deep retracement into this 4-hour gap. We run sell side liquidity. We have the SMT. We have a displacement. We have a 15-minute gap. And we have internal liquidity through here. So I was on a 1-minute chart and I wanted this short here. But when this candle opened and we just randomly ricked up like that, I was like, nah. I got out. And then, yeah, it would have been a stop out trade. So, anyway, I'm always yawning in these recaps. But anyway, from there, after we saw this huge displacement to the upside, it was pretty obvious that we were going to displace through this 15-minute gap, which we did. Closed above. Now, I did want, and my mate who was over trading with me actually took this trade. So, there was this small 2-minute gap here that he entered off of. I liked it, but there wasn't no significant shift through structure, so I was just hesitant. But it was pretty obvious what we were going to do. Anyways, we come up and we take out this 15-minute buy-side liquidity. So, cool, I'm just going to be patient. We retrace down into a 5-minute. Here, we tap in, we start rejecting. I used an inversion gap. And I know I don't trade inverses normally. But there is this thing that I used to do from way back was when we have the clear buy model going on and we can just come down, tap into the 5-minute, and this is the internal market maker buy model to this 5-minute. This is 5-minute buy side liquidity, and that's my break even point. So we tapped in, and last remaining gap within the range was this 1 minute here, and then I put a limit order on the retest. So we come up, we hit break even. Then I just strictly targeted a 2R because we have 4-hour buy side there as well. Just targeted 2R. We take my profit, and I started journaling. I was like, let's just have a look, see if we did pump through. Then we were retracing. What did we do? Tapped into another 5-minute. Then, same thing. Put it back up. Inversion gap. My stops were literally just below this 1-minute gap, so got saved by this. We literally just tapped in and rejected. 5-minute buy side, break even, target 2R. I had like a 2.1 hour on this actually. Yeah, easy shit. That is the trade recap. I am done for the day. I am up. Let's get the P&L up for you. $1,596, $1,600. And if you look at my Tradeify account, I'm at 52.68. So I'm going to take another withdrawal of like $580. Because I may as well. And it's a daily payout account. With the Apex, I'm going to let that shit build. But this Tradeify, I'm just going to rinse payouts on the daily from this. So I should be eligible for another payout, I believe. As long as I'm above the 2.1k buffer, then I'm fine. So yeah, we're gonna take another payout. We got the payout. I've already had the one payout from Tradeify. I've got the payout from Apex coming into my bank on Friday. I've just set up all the payments for that. Then we're requesting another payout from Tradeify. So we're finally on the road to these consistent payouts, thank God. So Yeah, clear bias today. Hopefully we start to see a high time frame retrace because, bro, this market is brutal. We are literally just non-stop fucking pumping. So, yeah. No pullbacks as of yet. But, yeah, man. Easy day in the office. Let's look at the trade Zeller. I haven't finished journaling this yet, but dashboard. Yeah, we're up 6.7k. And this is all funded. This isn't even including my eval. Because if you see, this is just funded trades. This is what I'm doing this month. And then last month, wait, what is that? Why isn't it showing? There we go. This is last month's. Obviously, this is where I started my fundeds. And yeah, end of the week up 3k. Oh, end of the month up 3k, sorry. And then we're up 3.7k so far this month. So yeah, shit's going good. 62.5% win rate. The Zeller score's looking really good. Yeah, I am liking this, but I would like to see some better structure from NASDAQ. I want to see us get a real nice high time frame retrace just to go back higher. But from a super high time frame standpoint, man, it's pretty obvious where we're going, isn't it? Like, all-time highs is insights. So, yeah, there's a trade recap, and that's the update on the accounts, and we have another payout inbound. So, cheers for watching, boys. I will catch you tomorrow for another trading day.